welcome back to my channel. So for today's new video, we're going to be doing a line dance. It is a 32 count 4-wall line dance. But before we get into the video, if you guys have been enjoying my videos, or if this is the first video you watch and you like it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to the channel because it really does help. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's get right into it. So you're going to start with your right foot, and your right foot's going to go on a bit of a diagonal, and you're going to rock forward, back. So it looks like with your right foot, you're going to rock forward in that diagonal and back. So rock forward, rock back, rock forward, rock back. One more time, rock forward, rock back. Now from here, your right foot is behind. You're going to cross it over your left. So facing the front, right foot looks like this. So we just finished rock forward, rock back, cross, step that left foot out, and then you're going to bring your heel down, toes up with that right foot. So whole thing from the top, nice and slow. We rock forward, rock back, cross, step, heel. And when I say heel, heels down, toes are up. One more time. Ready, and rock forward. Rock back, cross, step, heel. Now from here, you're going to step on that right foot, step, and you're going to cross your left, and you're going to do a step together step. So cross that left foot over your right, and you go step, together, step. And the feet go left, right, left. So again, let's go from the top. Ready, and rock forward, rock back, cross, step, heel, step, step, together, step. And make sure that left foot is crossing over your right, and it's just to left, right, left. Now from here, you're going to make a half turn, turning towards your right, and then your right foot's going to do the same, and you're going to do a step, together, step. Right foot is crossing over your left, and you're going to go towards your left, and you're going to step right, left, right. So again from the top, nice and slow. Ready, and rock forward, rock back, cross, step, heel, step, step, together, step, make that half turn, and right, left, right. Okay, so let's do it again, but a bit faster. Ready, and rock forward, rock back, cross, step, heel, step, step, together, step, step, together, step. Okay, so for this next part, you're going to take 3 steps. So you have your right foot in front, your left foot is going to cross over your right. So you're going to look like this, that's your left foot. You're going to step your right foot out to the side, and then your left foot is going to come behind. Okay, so again, from the new part, we go left, right, left. So 3 steps. Again, ready, and left, right, left. One more time. Ready, and left, right, left. Now, there's another step you're going to add. So this is the 4th step. Your left foot's behind. You're going to pick your right foot up. So right foot up. And then you're going to do a quick step, step. So right foot, you kind of pick it up, it goes behind, and you're going to make a quarter turn to your left, and you're going to step left, right. Okay, so we're going to do this new part again, nice and slow. Our right foot's in front, so we're going to cross our left foot over. So left, right, left goes behind. You're going to pick your right foot up, make a quarter turn to your left, and step, cross. Right foot crosses over. So again, one more time. Ready, and left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so now with the counts, it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time with the counts. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, whole thing from the top, nice and slow. Ready, and rock forward, back, cross, step, heel. 1, 2, 3, you're going to make a quarter turn to your left, and your left foot is going to cross in front. Step that right foot out. Left foot goes behind. Pick up our right foot, and then we're going to make a quarter turn to our left, stepping left, right, bringing that right foot in front. So again, nice and slow, we go left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so adding in both those parts, we're going to do it with the counts. So you have your right foot in front, left foot's behind. Get yourself ready. We're going to go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so one more time. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, whole thing from the top. Nice and slow. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Next part, your right foot's crossed over your left. You're going to bring your left foot out. You're going to step out 1 with that left foot, and then it's going to, the counts are and 2. It's like a quick step. So that right foot's in front, so we step 1. So when you do this and 2, your feet are going to go right, left. So we have our right foot in front, we step 1 and 2. Again, right foot's crossed in front, we step out with that left foot, 1 and 2. And the feet are right, left. Left foot's in front, right foot's behind. So again, you step out 1 and 2. Now from here, your left foot's in front, you're going to bring your right foot in front. You're going to kind of do, again, from like we did at the beginning, a bit of a diagonal, rocking forward and back. So with that right foot, rock forward, rock back. And we're kind of making a bit of a diagonal to our right. So we rock forward, rock back. Again, with that right foot, rock forward, rock back. So going from the new part, our right foot's in front, we step out with the left foot, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Again, ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. From here, you're going to do a full circle turning towards your right, and you're going to kind of do a step, touch, step, touch. So our right foot's going to come in front. You're going to go right. Again, we're turning towards our right. Right, left, right, left. And we're going to do it one more time. Right, left. Your left foot that is behind, it's going to kind of bring the full circle around. So your left foot is going to drag back to where you were. So drag, so you have your right foot in front. We're almost finished the circle. You're going to bring that left foot behind and bring it around back to center. So again, whole thing, well, not whole thing from the top, but from the new part, our right foot's in front. We're going to step that left foot out. 1 and 2, rock. 3 and 4 and. Right foot, we go step together, step together, step together. You're going to just do a little step with your right foot to get your left foot around. So we step with that right foot and then bring the left foot around. Okay, so going from the step touch, we step with our right foot is in front and we go right, left, right, left, right, left. A little step with the right and swing with that left foot. Okay, one more time, that new part. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, whole thing from the top. Get yourself ready. We're going to go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8. Left foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Again. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We step 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last part. So we just finished the circle. Left foot's in front. You're going to bring your left foot over your right. Step 1. Now from here, you're going to bring your right foot out, and you're going to go right, left. So it looks like this. 1 and 2. Okay, so we just finished with the left foot. We step that left foot crossing over our right. 1 and 2. And the feet are left, right, left. And the counts are 1 and 2. And now from here, your right foot is going to cross over your left. 3. Left foot's going to come out. Left, right. So finishing, just finish the circle. Left foot's in front. We step 1 and 2. Right foot. 3 and 4. And the feet are left, right. So again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So it is left, right, right, left, right. One more time from the new part. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now from here, your left foot, it's going to be like you're almost making a box step, but you're not, but it looks like it. You're going to cross your left foot over your right. 5, and that's count 5, and your left foot is going to come back. 6, and then you're going to do a quick step. So it's going to be left, right. So we're crossing the right foot over our left. So we just did 5, so that's our left foot, 5, and then right foot, 6, and then left, right. So again, it is 5, 6, and 7. You're going to step out with your left foot because it's behind, stepping on 8. So from the box step, we go 5, 6, and 7, stepping out 8. So one more time. 5, 6, and 7, step out 8. So we just finished the circle, so let's do that whole part. Ready, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, step out 8. So that is the whole dance. So let's do it again, nice and slow, and then we'll try it on a new wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so new wall, same dance. You're going to start with your right foot, so get yourself ready. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so this is going to be the last time we're going to do it. We're going to do it a little bit faster. New wall, same dance, and we're starting on that right foot. Get yourself ready. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with music, please be sure to check out the link below. And if you guys are enjoying my videos, make sure you give it a like and of course, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.